1-0 this way, 1-0 that way. Is a draw possible? I don't think so. Asita Fernando, Lahiru Kumara, Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna. 8 out of the 14 wickets were picked by fast bowlers of both teams. More than India because Indian bowlers didn't bowl that much when Sri Lanka came out to bat. The equation is very simple, 288 runs or 6 wickets. 1-0 this way, 1-0 that way. Is a draw possible? I don't think so. Even if it rains, we still have enough time at hand to enforce a result in this first test between India and Sri Lanka here at the Galle International Stadium. You can see behind me, the ground remains covered. The fort is looking as beautiful as it has, even in broad daylight and even now in the dark. An eventful day 4. 14 wickets falling, 8 going to fast bowlers. Who would have thought that? Day 4, Galle में टर्न होगा, रेजिंग टर्न होगा, विकेट टूटेगा, विशियस टर्न होगा. टर्न हुआ, रेजिंग नहीं हुआ, विशियस नहीं हुआ. दूर से घूम रहा था, अब विकेट के सामने से घूमा. बट असीता फर्नांडो, लहिरू कुमारा, मोहम्मद सिराज, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा. 8 out of the 14 wickets were picked by fast bowlers of both teams. More than India because Indian bowlers didn't bowl that much when Sri Lanka came out to bat. I think the Sri Lankan fast bowlers bowled beautifully. They bowled with a big heart. They bowled with a big heart, had their plans going, short ball plan, the foolish ball plans, the field placements to perfection, kept India batters quiet when spin could attack from the other end. You know, Prabhat Jasuria ने 3 wickets ली वहाँ पे, but I think the star of the show were the 2 fast bowlers from Sri Lanka. For India, I think it was a very disappointing show with the bat. They should have fancied themselves doing better with the bat. Yes, brisk runs were need of the hour because you didn't want to leave too less time out there, so you were looking to score those brisk runs. But short selection, KL Rahul, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shubman Gill, they would have been kicking themselves for throwing their wickets away the way they did. Shubman is not a compulsive sweeper or someone who sweeps a lot, but he didn't judge the length properly. Yashasvi Jaiswal likes to cut, but that was too early in the innings, and the line would have loved to shoulder arms, third ball of the day. Then comes KL Rahul. Again, a good-looking start after surviving a very close LBW shout, courtesy the DRS and the help from Devdutt Padikkal. But that shot was not on. You did all the hard work. You were in. You were scoring fluently. You were looking very positive, and you missed another big score, just like you did in the first innings when you got out for 82. But batting is done and dusted. I think Rishabh Pant probably deserves a lot of praise for the way he batted for that brisk half century. I think audacity has been his mantra when he bats in these difficult situations, and his tough test runs are all that count. You know, you can criticize him, you can mock him, you can troll him, but जब मैटर बहुत ट्रिकी होते हैं तो सिर्फ ऋषभ पंत खड़े होते हैं, और उन्होंने आज फिर वो करके दिखाया. आफ्टर देवदत्त पडिक्कल, another fluent hand with the bat. The first Indian batter, I think, in a very, very long time to accumulate 200 runs at number 3. I think that's a rare feat, and it speaks volumes that, you know, in a long time we have had a lot of number 3s, but none have impressed as much as Devdutt has in that small sample size of his test career, which is just 3 matches old. You keep watching TR Sports, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay notified. Sahil Malhotra will join you back on day 5 of the Galle Test. Looks like an Indian victory is very close, and Sri Lanka will need to bat out of their skins to enforce a draw or do the unthinkable and chase down the 288 runs on day 5, weather permitting.